Episode 12.5, Week 8 Costs. As usual, the setup at home is in the description below. And straight on to Monday, the 17th of Feb, we had a cost of £2.45 for 60.95 kilowatt hours and an average cost of 4.0 pence per kilowatt hour. I thought I'd just mention as well that the pink line in the graph here is the cost of the electricity, the light blue line is the average usage, and the bar graphs is how much I've used. On Tuesday the 18th of Feb, we had a cost of £3 and a penny, and that was for 63.74 kilowatt hours, and that gave us an average cost of 4.73 pence per kilowatt hour. On Wednesday the 19th of Feb, we had a cost of £3.41, and that was for 54.15 kilowatt hours and a cost of 6.30 pence average. And as you can see, we still don't use any electricity on the very peak rates. That's all covered by the Powerwall. On Thursday the 20th of Feb, we had a cost of £3.40, and that was for 53.73 kilowatt hours, which gave us the highest cost of the week of 6.33 pence per kilowatt hour for the day. And as you can see, we have plenty of usage first thing in the morning, charging the battery and the hot water and possibly the car. Just before the very peak rate, we're heating the house from the electric boiler and using next to nothing in the very peak rate because that's being covered by the Powerwall again. On Friday the 21st of Feb, we had a cost of £3.41, and that was for 54.95 kilowatt hours, which gave us an average cost of 6.20 pence per kilowatt hour. Saturday the 22nd of Feb, we had a cost of £2.61 for 58.11 kilowatt hours, and that was an average of 4.49 pence per kilowatt hour. And as you can see, we had very little usage later on in the night, but the Powerwall did fully discharge on the boiler. And finally, on Sunday the 23rd of Feb, we had a cost of £2.99 for 44.75 kilowatt hours. That was the least of the week of usage for Sunday, and that was an average cost of 6.67 pence per kilowatt hour, which was the most expensive. So on Sundays, I'm finding more and more that is the most expensive day to run the house. So we had a total cost of £21.28 for the week, and including the day rate and the VAT, that came to £23.81, and that has given us a total to date of £237.99 just for the electricity since 2020, but that is excluding the fit tariff. The averages for the week is 6.1 pence for what we've pulled from the grid, and if you include the solar kilowatt hours in that, that brings the average down to 5.6 pence. And to date, for everything that we pulled from the grid, we've had an average of 6.8 pence, and if you include the solar for the whole of the 2020 logs, that brings the average down to 6.5 pence per kilowatt hour. Finally, put all this data together, we've now done 1,149 miles up to week 8 of the 2020 logs. We've imported 3,417 kilowatt hours. We've had 195 kilowatt hours from the solar, which gives us a total kilowatt hour of 3,612. And the cost of the electricity today is £237.99, as mentioned before. The gas to date has cost us £11.54. So we've had a total running cost of the house of £249.53. We've had the fit payment of £160.89, which gives us a balance for the 2020 logs up until week 8 of £88.64. And as usual, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. If you have any questions about the video, please ask in the comments below.